Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we design music. We break down our list and try and get the message behind the song. We always give positive feedback, obviously. But nje posting non-toxic zone content, posting non-content toxic zone music. Sibuza ukuthi yini le. What is up, bro? Yeah, the screen some is checking. Hey guys, ngiyabanda ne. It's starting to become cold. Please take care of yourself, guys. Okay, it's good. Well, oh wow, man, I am grateful. This month I have gained more subscribers than any other month. This month alone, we have made over 100 and over 150 subscribers this month alone. So it's wow. It's a wow. It's a 150 subscribers in a month. 100 being in 15 days, in 11, in 10, yeah, 11 days. That is massive. It's impressive. I'm glad that people are really enjoying this YouTube channel, man. And everything that I do, guys, I do it for you, for the enjoyment of this, for the growth of Zion. So today we are reacting to I've never seen and I've never heard of this church. Kamale Sonto Covenant. Convenience. Covenant Church Indumiso Igufanele. Who was getting married? Guys, hey Zion, you always have things going on, eh? Who was getting married now? So in 17, somebody was getting married. And never feel that popular. Who was getting married? Like, big shut up, guys. Let me know. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. Umfana umuntu oshaya i-first bag. Yabona usoshaya i-first bag la, she is tearing it up. Uyenza so. She is tearing that voice up. And she next. Fungwes. Ut. Oh. Yes. Grrr. Like, reacting, sometimes not reacting to a new church and like a church that I've never heard of, you will notice it, ne? That I will tend to focus Gakulu and pause and then go back, because now I still want to get into the emotion. Really want to get into it, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Covenant sounds amazing. I've never heard of this church before. Mara, a Covenant Church sounds amazing. They sound amazing. I don't know if I'm not sure if alto or if first or tenor, but the one when they get to a point to Indomiso panel, and then there's a humming that comes in. Nah, I don't know if it's tenor or first part, but I man, why do I keep saying first part? I'm not sure if it's tenor or it's the other half of because number one, you look at the alto, it's not much of them, but bruv, they sound good. They sound extremely good. Like I'm shocked. You understand? Like, I'm like, wow. This is what I'm talking about, Maktua. Passion, bruv. Yes. You understand? And I'm like, Babati into Misuku Fanele. And then they go and then Une voice said, as if it tenor or it's still the first why do I keep saying first part? The alto. Listen. Nah, it's 10. It's 10. That is good. That is good. You see, the relationship between Iten and the alto as of late has been some of the best singing I've heard. Like, yo, lately food, like the past week. Hey, it's Manten and the alto. Hey. I'm well, come on, man. That part hates, but to eat alto Lalevaja is proper. Like the way they go, break it down, have a pause, stay there, go up, buy the food. Crazy. Crazy, like insane. ngasho namanje. I don't know if people notice. I'm very straightforward, and sometimes I don't like it now myself because sometimes being straightforward, hey, people can get hurt. Man. I don't like the fact ukuthi kunebandla lapha and people are talking in the back. I have always hated that because one man baningi you drown out. Yes, people said your singing should be so great that it catches people's attention. That I understand. Sure. But now if Sizongena and guys, no, no. Mina, I'm sorry. Man. I don't like that, bro. I believe ukuthi ayinto uyenzile yakhe part. So masicedile abanye abantu babangena nabo be attentive and listen to what other people are doing as well. Mina, I'm going to be that guy. Emshadweni wami ngafika kule nkonzo nras. Oy, thatha microphone. Yey. Hayi phela. Ngibhizi ngikahle. Laba rasayo bazophaka ukudla mara ngeke bathola igravy. Sazwani? Ibandla likhona la. Silaleleni. That's just me. Because understand this is that people put their effort in whatever it is that they do. And yes, we can't all be impressed by everything. Even as a dancer, I can't impress everybody. But I demand your attention. Ngizoyehla mina estage ngifike ebusweni bakho ngivele ngithi ngiyajiva lapha ubhizi nefoni yakho beka ifoni. Because remember, we are there for one reason. Masifika soyenza lento esiyenzayo, let's all be attentive to even. Let's all be attentive to whoever is at the podium at that time. Because number one, covenant sounds amazing. Covenant ugcotshwa, right? The covenant, yeah, it's to cover, it's ugcotshwa. So angazi ngesiZulu uzoyi-translate uthini. But nah, they are good. I can't hear Jack because now people are just like it. For me, it's disrespectful, man. Like I'm not gonna lie to you. I know, guys. Let's respect whoever's on the floor. Leo for me will forever be a thing. Engizohlezi ngilusithi, guys. Makunamanye amabandla lapha. Understand ukuthi there is too many of you guys. Now when you speak ninonke, the echo it shuts down whoever's doing something. Sigcine sesingamuzwa. But I probably there's chance someone from me covenant azoyibona. And if you do, can you please tell me What are you guys saying after this part? Listen, Kwab. And another thing, shout out to Uputo's food. He's grooming a lot of men right now. Nyabona uphethe boma 5, 6, I won, and we are food. And I'm like, trust. 4 years, not even a lot. 4 years from manje. Ah. Yobe ungasafuthi obumile kuzoze ukufuthela iy'nsizwa ngala. Hayi bambe njalo nkabi yami, bambe njalo. Big ups to you, man. Lo sisi we-first part angazi ukuthi ubani. Ngibona omunye ngathi suwuye. Who? Hey, Covenant. Like the video is so short and it's that's insane. That's insane. Okay. Asqala guys. I understand when the events efana nalezi churches come, but honestly guys, mina ngabe kuya ngami. And I'm not saying it's wrong. That's not what I'm saying. But my suggestion would be ayinto umuntu wasebandleni uhleli laphana, right? And uyabona ukuthi kunebandla lizongena and kunebandla on the floor, right? Now if they singing, you guys are also singing, are you causing causing unnecessarily. I'm trying to find a word. You end up overshadowing lokho kwenzakala phakathi because now everything turns to you. I would suggest it's okay to say kancane baqede. And then once they done, oi, come in. You can understand it because now we're hearing two choirs at the same time. And you're like, okay, guys, again, functionality and order. That's for me. I get it. Listen, I get it. I've been a Zion. But I've also been to churches where they went like kancane bafethu. Basa sibabaceda nje idume ngapha. Now we are like there, we're humming the song it out. Because now we're not trying to have a balance. You can't no. There has to be a balance somewhere. I understand. So outside from that covenant, I'm happy. I am having a covenant and I do want to react to more videos as a covenant and they sound beautiful. That first part, I don't know who it is. That first party was impeccable throughout. The relationship between Itena and Alto Bandlalana, it's one of the craziest, man. It's also just a beautiful thing to see. Yeah, I understand. So I am most definitely ready to react to more videos as a covenant. I understand. So yo, if you do like the content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And the more you guys like my videos, the more my videos will get around. And please don't forget to give me suggestion. And it's about time I also do like like longer videos and stuff. And I think I'm quite sure if this week or just next month I might because mailing is an album reaction in House of God. So that is coming. I think Zoshaka next week. And so, or if not during the yeah, but I think I'm gonna do it next week just to give it a break. So yo, in the favorite words of the Jupiter, adios.